This is the Evening Rush with DJ Adams. Your 2-hour escape from 6 to 8 p.m. Let's cruise.
Ikaze cyane muri The Evening Rush. Yes, ni The Evening Rush kuri 91 n'igice kimwe, that is Radio 1. Aho waherereye hariho hose, amajyaruguru, amajyepfo, iburasirazuba, iburengerazuba, umujyi wa Kigali, wherever. This is The Evening Rush. Jenitwa DJ Adams. It is an old school Thursday. Talk about old school Thursday. Nigeze nkubwira hanze y'u Rwanda, aho ngaho ni kuri tune in. Mu buryo bworoshye cyane, let's be part of all this. Sweet memories, great moments. Remember, class is permanent, form is very temporary. Let's go. Sweet memories once again, good times.
Thanks for riding with us all the way. We'll see you for a brand new The Evening Rush show tomorrow.